Hey everyone, welcome to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the all-purpose plastic in one human. So first, we will open up our map and let me just go to this red sand area. And this is where you will find most of your all-purpose plastic. And you will need to be at least 43 level or higher to farm this area effectively. However, if you're not level 43, you can also go around this region called Iron River, and you can also find it anywhere on the map. But Iron River and Red Sands area is one of the best to get the all-purpose plastic. Once you have gathered enough items, head to your disassembly bench and click select all. And here you will find, as you can see, I have all-purpose plastic from this scrap. So that's it for today's guide on how to get the all-purpose plastic. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well. Thanks for watching.